verify De Morgan's law A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Now take set U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Take set A is equal to 2, 3, 5, set B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. Here set A and set B are subset of set U, that is A is a subset of set U and B is also subset of set U. Now to verify De Morgan's law, we want to determine A union LHS first. On the LHS, it is what A union B complement. So first we want to determine A union B. So A union B is equal to, we want to collect X such that which is present in at least set A or B. So here A complement is A union B is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and A union B complement is equal to, we want to collect all X such that which are not present in A union B but present in set U. So A union B complement is equal to 4, 6 and 8. Similarly, this is what LHS. On the RHS, we want to determine A complement intersection B complement. So A complement is equal to, we want to collect all X such that X does not present in set A but present in U. So here A complement is equal to 1, then 4, 6, then 7 and 8. This is what A complement. Similarly, we want to determine B complement. So B complement is equal to, B complement is 2, 4, 6 and 8. So A complement intersection B complement is equal to, now you can observe the element 4, element 6 and element 8 are present in set A complement and B complement. So it is what A complement intersection B complement is 4, 6 and 8. Now from this set and this set, we can say that that is here LHS is equal to RHS, that is A union B complement is equal to 4, 6, 8, which is equal to A complement intersection B complement, and hence De Morgan's law verify. Now we are going to verify this De Morgan's law by using Venn diagram. So here now consider here set U, then set A, okay. Now here it is set A, set B, this is what set U. Then first we want to determine A union B. So A union B is equal to, this is what A union B, this whole part is what A union B. Now A union B. Now similarly, now we want to determine A union B complement. So again, if we suppose this is set A, set B, then A union B complement is equal to, this is set A, set A, set B, this is universal set U, then A union B complement is equal to, this part is called A union B complement. This is called A union B complement. So, I am writing here, it is what? A union B complement. Now, this is what left hand side. Similarly, we want to determine right hand side. So, consider set A, then set B. Now, on the right hand side, we want to determine A complement intersection B complement. So, here A complement is set A, then this is set B, then A complement is equal to, this part is A complement collection of all x such that x does not belongs to set A, but it belongs in set U. So, if this is the U set, then this is what? A complement. Similarly, we want to determine B complement. So, suppose this is set A, set B, then universal set U, then B complement is, this part is B complement, this part is B complement. Now we want to take union of A complement union B complement. So, now A complement, we want to determine A complement union B complement. So, again if we draw Venn diagram, then from this two part, from this two Venn diagram, we can easily determine this part is common region. We want to determine A complement intersection B complement. We want to determine A complement intersection B complement. So, here not union, it is A complement intersection B complement. I am writing again here A complement intersection B complement. So, from this two set, we can observe that the common region between these two set is this part is the common region between two set. This region is the common part between A dash and B dash. So, here A complement and A complement intersection B complement is this part is what? If this is the set A, this is set B, and if this is the universal set U, then this part is the common part between set A complement intersection B complement, and therefore, from this two Venn diagram, from this Venn diagram, okay, you can from this Venn diagram and from this Venn diagram we can say that we can verify that the A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Thank you.